Sorry, folks. I had to straighten out my hat. My hat was crooked, Karen said. Anyhow, what the hell? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, this always does the trick. Buffalo Trace always does the trick, folks.
What? Well, oh no, not again. Let's see if the double shot will work.
Okay, that's better. Whew. That helped. That helped me a lot. Today, I am going to make a lemon drop martini with the assistance of my lovely assistant, Miss Maui Karen Ann, who flew all the way up here from Maui. Not really, I lie. She was already here. She's been here. We haven't been to Maui for years. Anyhow, Buffalo Trace. Man, that really straightened me out, didn't it? Really helped. Karen's saying, what trick? She couldn't recognize me, I guess. Couldn't you tell?
Couldn't tell.
She couldn't tell. Let me give my shout-outs to Ricky Bobby. How do you like that new lawnmower, Ricky? Ricky's at Empires and Cocktails. We went shopping at the liquor store the other day. He was walking around. I was sitting down watching him. But we bought some booze. Well, at least he bought some booze. Ricky, I love that lawnmower. Empires and Cocktails. And Chappie, man, you are the best. You are the best, Chap. Thank you for your assistance. I appreciate it. And Dram Nice Whiskey. Dram Fine Whiskey, but it's Dram Nice Whiskey to me. So Dram Fine Whiskey. Good going, bud. Here we go. This is going to be a special, little bit of Buffalo Trace left in that glass. Gotta get every drop. I got it. Lemon drop martini. I'm going to put in 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Half an ounce of tequila. This is a special cocktail, and it's a double, so when you do it, you're making a double, you're going to add double the stuff. So this is for 2 people. So just cut it in half if you want it for 1 person. And I got to add 2 ounces of Cointreau, the sign says. The sign says 2 ounces of Cointreau. And the sign says 4 ounces of vodka. But you know, I like to add a little bit more, so I'm going to put in 5 ounces of vodka, and I hope this is going to be good. This has got to be good. This has got to be good. It's got to be. I don't know why it's got to be, but it's got to be. And I got 2 ounces of simple syrup. Then I'm just going to put it in here and shake it. Now we just got to coat the rim of the martini glass with lemon. And then we just dip it in the sugar and spin it around so that we have a sugar rim.
You just take it and dip it in the whole thing.
You just take it and dip it in the whole thing.
Like that.
Like that. You see that, folks? You just take it and dip it in. You got to listen to the women because they always know what they're talking about, especially Maui Karen Ann.
I guess I didn't explain it to you.
She didn't explain it to me properly.
There. Now twist it.
Now twist it, she says. There you go. I got the twist.
That's
now
it.
we got it.
And then lift it up, and then you can tap some of the sugar off because it looks like there's a lot.
Yeah, there's sugar on there, but that's okay. Because you're sweet, I'm sweet, everybody's sweet. There you go.
So there are our glasses.
Yep, the glasses are ready to go, folks. Okay. That was a good one. You didn't even see that happening, did you? You folks didn't even see that happening. These glasses just appeared. Very appearing glasses.
Use the big one for you.
The big ones for me, Karen said. Karen said the big ones for me because I'm not going to say it, but my mind wanders to dirty stuff. My mind was just floating. She turns me on, ladies and gentlemen. She turns me on. She wants me to have the big one. And there you go. I double strained it because it's freshly squeezed. And now, I gotta taste it. I don't know. I gotta take another sip.
Can you taste the tequila?
No, the tequila just adds that right flavor.
Oh, okay.
Just adds that right flavor.
Too much sugar on your rim?
No, it's not too much sugar on the rim.
Okay.
Actually, I like it. It's good. It's really, really good. I think I might have another one. I'm looking at this other one here, but Karen's giving me a no look.
That's
Okay, well
mine.
anyhow, I hope everybody out there is doing well. To my buddies Cam and Teresa over there at Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. Karen made sure I put the garnish on there, so she had me the glasses afterwards, after the shake or during the shake or around the shake, a shaker. Anyhow, that's what happened. Cocktail Tony, get yourself vaccinated. If not, say hello to your mama because you're going to be flying Delta if you don't get your vaccine. Okay? Cocktail Tony, over and out.